Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see first message on Instagram. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram application and then at the top right click on the message image. Here it is. And then open any chat you want. For example, I will open this chat. And then if you want to see first message without scrolling, all you need to do is to click on your Wi-Fi icon at the top right corner. Here it is. And then this page will be automatically scrolled up. So as you can see, that's not the first message in this chat. That's because Instagram application and your iPhone doesn't load all messages at one time. So actually you need to click a few times on this Wi-Fi icon, and after that you will see the first message in this chat. So and that's all, and that's how to see first message on Instagram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.